Hi, my name is Gertrud Vahtra, and in this CXL feed, we will talk about the Data to Action workshop. Does your company struggle with test velocity, or you find that experiments are not rooted in data or address your business needs? Or do you find that teams lack alignment on what you are testing for or want to be more involved in experimentation? I have often seen how there are people in organizations that would like to take a bigger role in experimentation and pitch their own ideas without given an avenue to do so. The solution to those listed problems or questions is running a data to action workshop with your teams. This workshop is focused on finding solutions to business or customer problems. It provides a structured environment where participants are encouraged to think creatively and bring new ideas based on the existing data that relates to the problem. By bringing together individuals from different departments, backgrounds, and expertise areas, ideation workshops harness a wide range of perspectives. This diversity can lead to more robust and innovative solutions as participants build on top of each other's ideas and also helps with team collaboration. If you bring relevant data sources and highlight the clear problem to your teams in this workshop, you can also come up with more impactful ideas that address your business needs and really just move away from spaghetti testing. The outcome of this workshop is a long list of experiment ideas rooted in data. To run this workshop, you should ensure that you start with a clear problem statement that you want to address with the team. This can be based on a customer problem or business question from the leadership. You then want to provide all the relevant research data or previously completed A/B tests that relate to the focus area or the problem you want to address. In the workshop, you have a set time for people to review all existing research to ensure that the solutions and ideas are rooted in data. You can even add a bonus task for a competitor review to get inspiration on how other brands may be addressing the problem you are facing. In this session, participants have a set time for ideation and also a section where people can create clear hypotheses and test plans together. The key for creating test plans is to ensure that participants clearly list out the problem or opportunity that relates to their hypothesis. This workshop can also work as an education piece to help people understand how tests should be planned or how to formulate hypotheses. This session can take anywhere between 1 to 2 hours, maybe even 3, depending on how deep you really want to go. After participants have added their ideas, you can have a set time to vote for the best ones, build on top of the ideas, and flag them for feasibility. This is an example of a data to action workshop. As you can see on the left side, we have the relevant research that relates to the problem statement. There's a section for people to list out as many ideas as they have for future opportunities. And then you can encourage participants to create their hypotheses and test plans with the relevant details. From this session, you will get a long list of ranked test ideas that can be validated on the website. Teams will also be more empowered to solution on the problems that they have been assigned to, which results in more buy-in for the work they are doing and accountability to work towards solutions that they have mapped out for themselves. You can create a roadmap based on the ideas listed out in the session. There may be even ideas for future research that can be mapped out in the roadmap. From the list of ideas and opportunities, you can create the roadmap, and in this roadmap, you can mention the metrics that matter for your team and relate to the problems you are working to resolve. You have the list of research methods that you use in the workshop, and then the list of tactical or strategic recommendations from different teams that will help you move towards the goals. If you struggle with velocity, lack test ideas that are rooted in data, and just generally want to bring the teams together so they have a chance to be more involved in experimentation, you should run this data to action workshop.